beautiful people. Here is my next cross stitch project. I am going to be cross stitching myself. So here's a picture of me, and I went to the website myphotostitch.com and just uploaded my picture, and then it magically transformed to a cross stitch pattern with all the color codes and designs. And here's what it looks like. This is the size. From left to right, there are 89, and then top to bottom is 119 little squares. So my next job is to go to Michael's and attempt to get all these colors. This is gonna be fun. Okay, I'm here, so oh boy. Don't know where to begin. Okay. Match my numbers. 152. This color. Cool. It's easier than I thought. Okay, 152 and then 168. This color. 301. 300. I don't know. Whoa, this is different. 310. 372. Oh, ito tayo. Ito na tayo. 535. These are the color code. DMC is the thread or the floss. It's actually a lot easier than I thought when I went to the store to look for them, because on here it actually says DMC, and then on the bottom it gives you the number, like 3031. That would be this color right here. Alright, let's get started. next I'm going to move on and do this number right here, 7. There are 2 7s. One is the one with the dark circle, and then the other one is it doesn't have, the dark color behind it. So I'm going to be doing this one here. That's 3861. 3861 is this color. I'm going to start over here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th. No, let's start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, the 5th square. So it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one. So I'm going to continue cross stitching all the circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all the way down here. Again, that is 407. That's this color. And going to continue from this one. So I need 3 more. The next one I'm going to be working on is this number 7 right here, 3772. That's this color right here. Okay, and this is what it looks like, 3772. that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.